Guys, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Workbench and how to use it for running your SQL queries. So let's start the video. Guys, MySQL Workbench is GUI tool which is used for running SQL queries. So before installing MySQL Workbench, you should have MySQL server on your system. So if you have not installed it, I have given video link in description box, or you can click on I button to watch that video. So guys, in my system I have already installed. Here I'm just opening MySQL command line and showing you that it is connecting successfully. Also guys, I'm starting Windows services to show you that MySQL server is running. This is important. If your MySQL server is not running, your MySQL Workbench won't be able to connect it. So guys, to download MySQL Workbench, open your browser and simply search for MySQL Workbench. And here you can see the official website. You need to simply click on this MySQL Workbench link. It will redirect you to this page, and here you can see MySQL Workbench is there and we have a button download now. So we are going to simply click on this download now button. And guys, it will redirect you to downloads page, and here it's showing you your operating system and installer for MySQL Workbench. So we have to simply click on this download button. And now on this page, you don't have to log in or sign up. Simply click on no thanks, just start my download. And you can see the download has been started and it is done. To install, you need to simply click on this MSI, and here guys, you need to click on next button. This is location where your MySQL Workbench will be installed. Click on next button, and here we are going to select complete and click on next button. And now here click on install button. So it will ask you permission. Click on yes button, and guys, you can see the installation has been started, and guys, it is done. Okay, so here it's showing me finish button and it's showing me start MySQL Workbench. So guys, we would like to start it. So keep the check mark as it is and click on finish button. And here you can see MySQL Workbench has been started. This is welcome screen. Just scroll down guys and you can see MySQL connection is shown over here. So we need to simply click on this local instances to connect to MySQL. Now it will ask you password, so you need to provide the password which you have given to your MySQL server. So here I'm giving that password, hence I said that you need to install MySQL server before. And now here you can see it's showing me this page, and here my server status is there. It's showing me my latest server which I have installed. So let's execute query. Let's close this page and go to this query, and here you can type whatever query you want. So if you want to create database, you can create database table. Whatever query you want to type, you can type here and run. So here I'm simply typing show databases semicolon, and I'm going to click on this thunder button to run my query. You can see here it's showing output. So whatever database I'm having, so in my MySQL installation video, I have created CS Corner database, so I will be using that database. If you want to create new database, you can run any query here, okay, and you will see output simply on this GUI. So now I'm writing use CS Corner, and then in this I'm going to create one employee table. So create table employee, I'm giving employee number and name as column. Okay, done. So let's execute this. So I'm selecting the both queries and clicking on this thunder button. You can see it's showing me that table is created and database is changed. Now let me describe the table. So I'm just writing desk command to describe table, and you can see guys, it's showing me my table detail also. So guys, this way you can install MySQL Workbench and you can use it. You can type all your queries over here. So guys, I hope by following my video, you are able to successfully install MySQL Workbench. So guys, if my video has really helped you, don't forget to hit on like button and share my video to your friend. And if you have any query, you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, I'm having my website. I have posted lots of tutorial over there. Certainly you can visit that. All my social media link is in description box. You can join there also. Guys, I'm having another channel, Code with Sunita. There I'm teaching coding in Hindi. Certainly you can visit that channel. Guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. I create lots of video related to coding and programming and tutorial. There is red color button. You need to simply click on that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye. Take care. Keep watching and keep learning, guys.